She is my best performer. She's on track to generate a six-figure income this year, and her entire existence is just a few lines of text. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the invisible machine that creates her, a system that takes one simple idea and automatically manufactures a week's worth of viral content. To build this system, you have to forget simple prompts and start thinking like a director. We're going to do that by installing a custom Gemini Gem protocol. This gem will act as our precise director, giving us the clear and consistent blueprint we need to achieve stability and precision in our videos. Now let's get started. Go to the link in the description to open the Notion link where you can copy the Gem protocol. Then go to gemini.google.com and click Explore Gems in the sidebar menu. Now click New Gem. Paste the protocol in the instructions area. Let's name this gem ASMR Production Plan. After that, let's hit Save. I won't break down the entire protocol line by line, but in a nutshell, this gem creates a complete production blueprint for 3 separate video clips. It does 2 crucial things. First, it locks in our character, Aura, using a master description in every single image prompt to guarantee she looks the same every time. Second, it gives VO a precise, second-by-second script for the action, from the initial tap to the final bite. It's a professional plan designed to remove all the guesswork and give you a predictable, perfect result. Now, watch the director work. All we have to do is give it a theme. Let's stick with glass fruits and hit Generate. It's not just a list of ideas, it's a structured production plan. You can see it's generated pairs of prompts for each video. Let's focus on the plan for video 1. First, copy the image prompt for video 1. This single paragraph contains everything: the full aura description, the medium shot framing, the cinematic lighting, and the dynamic starting pose. We'll be utilizing our Pro account and use Google's AI Throve, so for generating image, I will use Image FX. There's also an image generator in Google AI Studio, as well as their latest image tool called Whisk. You can also use your favorite AI image generator as you please, but for now, I'll stick with using Image Effects. Oh, and if you want to know how to get 1 year of Gemini Pro for free, check out my other video where I show you exactly how to do it. So let's paste the prompt here and hit the Create button. Image Effects will generate 4 images by default, so you have 4 options to choose from. If you are not satisfied, you can always create more. It's free for now, so you can take advantage of that. Just download the image you've chosen to save on your computer. For the animation, go back to the production plan and copy the VO3 prompt for video 1. Notice it refers to Aura as the influencer and details that exact 8-second sequence we designed. Now head back to Flow Dashboard. Let's change the settings into VO3, Quality and Beta Audio. Yeah, this option costs 100 AI credits, but you are more in control because you already have a character that you want to use and not let VO3 create random characters. We're also going to choose frames to video from these options. Now, as you will see, there's a new option that will appear. Upload the image you downloaded from Image FX, then paste the timed VO3 prompt. Just give it a few seconds to process your video. The rest of the process is simply following the plan. To create your second video, you just repeat the exact same steps using the prompt pair under Prompts for Video 2. You'll generate the new extreme close-up keyframe, then animate it with its own time VO3 prompt. Then you do it again for video 3. Once you have your 3 separate 8-second video files, your series is ready for assembly. Here's a fact you might not realize. You don't need to wait for platform monetization. You can start earning money within 24 hours of posting your first video. The strategy is to sell the knowledge you now have directly to your audience. For example, this account links to a guide teaching people how to create these exact same videos. This one sells a similar product on Gumroad, and so does this one. By following this tutorial, you now possess the exact skills they are selling. That means you can monetize your knowledge immediately, potentially within hours of your first video going live. Now let's put all the clips together using CapCut or any of your preferred video editors. I'll just add a simple blur transition in between clips. You can also add subtle background sound or do a final color grade if you want, but I'll leave this as is. This is how you move from prompting to directing. By creating a clear and precise plan, you get a clear and precise result every single time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.